Welcome to George Mason's 25 Live video training series. In this video, I will show you how to select a time and location for your event in the Event Wizard. All these videos are built with the understanding that you've taken the new user training class. If you haven't done so, you can visit scheduling.gmu.edu/25live and submit a new user request form to sign up for the next class. Let's go ahead and get started. We begin with the start date here, Sunday, July 29th, 2012. To the right is the drop-down calendar where we can select a different date if needed. There's the start time. This is when your event starts. I can type in 5 p and hit enter and it automatically changes to 5 p.m. There is also the pre-event time. Now remember, pre-event time is when you need access to the room prior to your event start time. We use this for rehearsals, sound check, or any type of decoration setup. Now, setup time is for the operation crew to get your room in the desired layout. Your event scheduler enters in that information. We next have the end date. Make sure the end date and the start date are always the same. We have building hours here in place, therefore the system will not allow you to span multiple days. You would need to make it a repeating event. For today's purpose, we are not going to have a repeating event. I will show you in a different training video on how to do a repeating event. As you can see, it now lists the occurrence dates of your event. If we were to select a repeating event, the occurrence list would be much longer. Scroll down a little further, now we're going to select the location of our event. I'm going to select Johnson Center, Dewberry. Once selected, the room is placed on the right hand side, and you can see under the text we now have a drop down menu that allows us to select our desired room location. We have classroom, custom, rounds, and runway with theater. The number in brackets represents the room's occupancy rate for that setup. I'm going to select rounds. Please keep in mind not all rooms have multiple layouts available. I also want to show you one of the newest features. I'm going to select Hub Ballroom even though it's unavailable. If you look down below where it says Conflicts on the right, now it actually shows you what the conflict is. And in this instance, there's an event already scheduled during the time I would like. If I had to have that room, I can go back up and adjust the time frame to get that room. I scroll down a little further, now you can see the resources are added to this page as well. I then select categories, then services requested, and this will load all the most commonly requested event resources. We can choose from the menu. I'm going to select easels. Once selected, it's placed on the right, and I can adjust the quantity if needed. If I continue to scroll down, I am now asked for the expected head count. If you notice, this is a required field. The system will not allow you to move on to the next page until all required fields are filled out. We now have the event comments section. This section is not public. This is where you enter any special request for your event. For instance, for this event, I'm going to have the easels set up in the back of the room. Thank you for viewing this video today. You can find more training videos at scheduling.gmu.edu/25live. If you have any further questions, you can email us at series25@gmu.edu. Thank you for your time.